It started in Wuhan, China, but it was not long before the virus was detected in all corners of the world. Italy, Spain, and the United Kingdom are the worst affected countries in Europe. America has recorded the highest number of deaths. South African President, who is also the chair of the African Union, Cyril Ramaphosa, has been sharing information with his counterparts. On Thursday, he spoke to the US President Donald Trump. And on Friday, he interacted with German Chancellor Angela Merkel.
Yesterday, yes, I spoke to President Donald Trump. He initiated the conversation. He wanted to speak to me. And I must say that I've been speaking to many other heads of state, and there seems to be a general sense of solidarity that is going around the world with many heads of state. And he wanted to know how we were doing as South Africa and pledge his support for the work that we are doing. But he was also saying that he's most impressed from the reports that he has heard about the way we are managing the issue of COVID. We did not get to the point of discussing the resources to the WHO, but our position is very clear that the resources and the funding to the WHO should not be cut. In fact, this is the time when funding should be increased to the WHO, because the WHO needs all the resources at this point in time. This morning, I also spoke to the Chancellor of Germany, Angela Merkel, and exactly the same type of solidarity is flowing around. They are willing to assist us as much as possible, but they're also willing to learn from what we are doing here.
China says it is ready to support the African continent.
We have some senior advisor working together in Africa CDC with Dr. John Kengasol. And we also have at least some attaché in some African countries' embassy. One of my colleagues, Dr. Ni Daxin, he's working in Zambia, and he's working very closely with Zambia CDC.
The UN has called on world leaders to be united.
This is a human crisis. It's one of a global nature. There is no one that has not been affected. And I think that this is where we stand up as a human family.
The World Health Organization has made a similar call. Sophie, Mokoena, SABC News.